Abandoned Pontiac GTO 1966. The United States of America is once again pleasantly amazed by the prices of its cars, and this applies to offers for leasing both new cars from some funny monthly fees and classic ones which are many years old but they look great. This GTO, even if it looks tired, sells for as little as $1,500, and for me it is a great deal for those who are looking for rebuilt vehicles, this one also a classic muscle car too. Here is a real classic that you can only dream of. It was parked 34 years ago in front of the owner's home in Alabama, as evidenced by numbers that have not been updated since 1985. Therefore, do not be surprised at such an abundance of rust on the body, and besides, there is no engine and transmission. This will definitely not be the easiest project to restore to its former luxury, but if you succeed, then you will become the owner of a true classic American coupe. But there is good news too. No perforation corrosion was found in the photographs, and it is possible that the body has not suffered so much over the many years of parking. From the seller, we managed to find out that the car is almost in original condition. Most of the trim elements are in the garage, but this is not certain. Also, you can't look at the cabin without pain. It feels like one of the windows was open and Mother Nature made a little effort to throw foliage into the cabin and fill it with water to form real compost, without which there is nowhere to go in a classic car. A simple alteration of the seats, replacement of the ceiling and floor is clearly not enough. You will have to at least change the seat frames and much more. As already mentioned, this will be a rather serious project that not everyone can pull, as financially and physically. Unfortunately, the owner no longer remembers which engine was under the hood since 34 years ago. He dismantled the box and engine in order to restore them, but he never finished it. Considering that the engine has disappeared for a long time, you can put absolutely any option under the hood. Likely, the choice in the USA is large enough for such retro cars. Hope someone gets interested in this car or uses the leftover intact parts as a donor on another GTO.